Are you struggling to find a job because you don't have any connections? This video will guide you through a step-by-step process of reaching out to engineers and professionals from other companies to help you land your dream job. Let's make the job search process simple. The first step is to find open positions that match your skill set. You can find these on various websites like LinkedIn, Monster, Indeed, Hacker News, GitHub, or individual company websites. The key is to make a list of companies that are hiring for positions that interest you. Once you have a list of jobs that you're interested in, take the time to research each company and find the ones that match your criteria. If you're looking for a machine learning job, then find one that has machine learning involved in it, whether fully or partially. Also, consider your skill level and look for positions that align with your experience, such as senior, junior, or mid-level engineer. By following these simple steps, you'll be well on your way to finding a job that's a perfect fit for you. Now, you have a list of open positions that you're interested in, but it's important to research each company to see if they're a good fit for you. Consider factors like company culture, work-life balance, and other things that matter to you. As you research, you'll realize that some companies don't align with your goals, and that's okay. Eliminate them from your list, so you can focus on the ones that do. While researching these companies, start thinking about how you can provide value to them. What skills do you have that would benefit them? Are there any particular things that interest you about the company? Have you done anything in the past that the company needs? These are all important questions to answer, so you can communicate effectively when reaching out to them. Next, you need to find the right person to contact. Check out LinkedIn or the company's website to find the names of people who work there. Look for hiring managers, influential people, or team members who are relevant to the position you're applying for. For example, CEOs of startups, CTOs, VPs of engineering, engineering managers, and senior software engineers are all good options. Gather as much information as you can about the person you're going to contact. It may seem a bit stalkerish, but it's necessary to make a strong connection. To make the process easier, create an Excel spreadsheet that you can use to keep track of important information about the people you want to contact. As soon as you find someone's name, add it to the list and start filling out their information. The next step is to find their contact information. One way to do this is by checking their GitHub or social media profiles. If they're a developer, they probably have a GitHub account. Search for their profile using the name you just obtained and see if they've provided their email or any other contact information. If you find any information, jot it down in the sheet. The more information you gather, the better. If you can't find anything right away, don't give up. Look for other sources such as their blog, Facebook, Twitter, Hacker News account, and so on. Okay, so now that you have the piece of contact information and their name inside the sheet, what next? You need to draft a message that the other person will want to open, read, and respond to. Think about how many messages and emails you receive in a day. You're constantly bombarded. To break through, you need to provide value to the other person and show that you actually care about them. Here's how you could format your message to maximize positive responses. First, introduce yourself. It's important for someone to know who you are. But don't spend too much time on this because we want to focus to be on the other person. Second, make a connection. Remember the questions you asked yourself while researching the company? Use that information here to connect with a person about something they like or the company values. People enjoy talking about things they do and things they enjoy, so focus on that. Third step, link to something in your work that would be interesting to them. This could be an open source repository you worked on, a project you created for them, or something else that would be helpful to the company. Be creative here, as this is the most important step to get your foot in the door and provide value. Fourth, ask if they have any open positions for what you're looking for. Fifth, attach your tailored resume for that position. To better understand this approach, let's go through an example. Let's say you found the junior full-stack engineering position on the monthly Who's Hiring post on Hacker News. After researching the company, you found that they have the culture, work-life balance, and growth opportunities you're looking for. And they're looking for engineers who are eager to learn. A perfect fit for you. You noticed that they're looking for engineers who know Python, React, and AWS. Find the person's name on the post and do some research on them. Suppose you found out that they were the CTO of the company. Initially, you might feel nervous about reaching out to someone in such a high position. But remember, they're looking for a junior engineer with your skills. Create a quick one-page site that uses their API to pull some items and display them on a web page using React, Python, and AWS. If you don't know React or Python, and you're willing to learn and still do it, it shows initiative and a love for learning and growth. Qualities that companies look for in junior engineers. Host the site on AWS using an EC2 instance and CloudFront. Before reaching out, draft your email. Your email should introduce yourself and express your excitement about the company's mission. You could say something like this. Hi Andrew, I saw your post on Hacker News for Who's Hiring in June of 2016. I read up on the company. And I was really excited at the fact that you guys are trying to change the fashion industry by offering high-quality clothing to people who can't normally afford it. I was wondering if I could talk to you more about X company, your time there, and why you love it. Here's the link to a project that I made just for you. I didn't know Python or React, but I wanted to learn because I love continuously learning and improving my skill set. I hosted it on AWS, also using an EC2 instance in CloudFront. Also, are you hiring for junior full-stack engineers? Best. Then attach your resume. This formula can give you about a 10% conversion rate, whereas blindly applying to jobs in sites like LinkedIn can lead to no response. By sending this email, you provide upfront value, and you immediately stand out from the hundreds of thousands of emails and resumes that the company might receive from that posting. All because you decided to go the extra mile. To help you with this, as we mentioned earlier, create a spreadsheet to track the people you're reaching out to. One last thing, don't be afraid to follow up. Many times, people get caught up in their day-to-day lives, and your email may not be a top priority for them. They may open it and forget to respond, but they actually meant to. So, don't let the fear of following up hold you back, because we've seen many people respond after the second or third email. It's that simple. If you want to learn more about how to land a programming job without experience, watch our video on How to Break into Software Engineering as a Beginner. It provides a roadmap you can follow to land your dream job. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions. We'll see you in the next one.